If wellness is your focus, there's no better place to be than in one of our AquaClass accommodations. This experience comes with a variety of health-focused perks, including in-stateroom fitness amenities, wellness TV on demand, and unlimited access to the Sea Thermal Suite, where you can relax before or after your spa treatments. Plus, enjoy complimentary dining at Blue, where you'll order from an exclusive menu featuring clean ingredients, healthy cuisine, and an extensive list of sustainable wines. For those who want to travel as a VIP guest, stay in one of our Concierge Class staterooms. You'll have a dedicated concierge always at your service, and will be able to enjoy perks such as an exclusive welcome luncheon and enhanced room service menus. Book a stay inside one of Celebrity Apex's revolutionary infinite veranda staterooms, where the living area can be transformed into an airy veranda with the push of a button, letting you walk right out to the water's edge. Deluxe porthole view with veranda staterooms have everything you need for a restful vacation, including larger living spaces, celebrity exhale bedding, a king-sized cashmere mattress, and jaw-dropping views from the veranda. In panoramic ocean view staterooms, enjoy floor-to-ceiling windows and more spacious accommodations than in standard ocean view staterooms. Deluxe ocean view staterooms are some of the largest staterooms on the ship, featuring a spacious living area with a prime view out into the ocean. Our standard ocean view staterooms are just as luxurious. These comfortable accommodations come with a spacious living area, king-sized beds, exhale bedding, premium bath products, and gorgeous views of the open ocean. Spend a relaxing vacation at sea in an inside stateroom, stylishly designed to provide you with ample living space, larger bathrooms, and a flat-screen TV.